Some of you guys had a little bit of difficulty today with the homework, so I'm sending this. Just remember that you can always go on bigideas.com. You know how to log in. We've already logged all of you in. You have a username, you have a password. We wrote it in your planner. So you can watch the same videos that I'm about to show you right now, just as a refresher of how to do order of operations. For the homework, you have to show your work in order to get credit. So remember everything that we've learned about PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponent, multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting. So I'm going to have you watch this video. This is on Big Ideas. You can also watch it by logging in yourself. But look at this expression. So they have 5 times, in parentheses, 12 minus 3 to the second power, in parentheses, divided by 9. It looks like such a difficult problem. But we can rewrite it looking at the parentheses first. You're going to notice that the first thing they're going to do is, remember me, the little annoying brother? We're going to work on the parentheses first and then start to solve. So if you see, she's going to rewrite it over here off to the side. I normally start writing down, but either way works. She's going to take the 3 to the second power and turn it into 9. So I'm going to have you watch as she explains.
Evaluate 15 times the quantity 12 minus 3 squared divided by 9. Use the order of operations to determine how to evaluate this expression. According to the order of operations, you must perform operations in grouping symbols first. Look back at your expression. There are 2 operations in the grouping symbols: subtraction and a number with an exponent. According to the order of operations, you must evaluate the power in the parentheses before you perform the subtraction. 3 squared equals 9, and the expression equals 15 times the quantity 12 minus 9 divided by 9. Now perform the operation in the parentheses. 12 minus 9 equals 3, and the expression equals 15 times 3 divided by 9. Now multiply and divide from left to right. In this example, you should multiply before dividing, because the multiplication symbol comes first when reading from left to right. 15 times 3 equals 45. The expression equals 45 divided by 9. Divide. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. So 15 times the quantity 12 minus 3 squared divided by 9 equals 5.
Okay, remember this is all on Big Ideas Math. So log in, do the examples, walk through the videos. If